Congratulations! You've completed your first steps into the world of accordion playing. Before we dive into the final module of this course, I want to take a moment to say how proud I am of you for making it this far. Let's quickly review what we've covered in this course. You have learned proper posture handling and bellows control. You've explored the right hand keyboard and played your first melodies. You've mastered the basics of the left hand bass buttons and chords, and most importantly, you've combined both hands to play complete songs. These are significant accomplishments, and they've built a strong foundation for your musical growth. Remember, every great accordionist started where you are right now. Progress may feel slow at times, but every practice session is a step forward. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small they seem. I believe in your potential, and I know that with dedication, you'll achieve amazing things.